Most contractors compare construction software the wrong way. They look at features first. But here's the truth. No one tells you. The best construction software is not the one with the longest feature list. It's the one your team will actually use consistently without slowing projects down. And in 2026, two names keep showing up for small and mid-sized contractors: BuildXact and Contractor Foreman. But here's the problem. These platforms solve very different business problems, even though people compare them constantly. In this video, I'll break down BuildXact versus Contractor Foreman, explain the biggest differences, show you who each platform is really built for, and help you avoid the expensive mistake many contractors make before subscribing. And later, I'll show you the hidden factor that matters more than pricing for most builders. So let's get straight into it. First, let's answer the big question. Which one is better? Honestly, it depends entirely on the type of contractor you are. That's the key thing most reviews never explain clearly. BuildXact focuses heavily on estimating, takeoffs, quoting, and smoother workflows for residential builders and remodelers. Contractor Foreman focuses more on broad project management, operational control, and affordability for contractors needing lots of features at lower cost. That distinction changes everything. Now imagine Jake runs a small remodeling company. He spends hours building estimates manually in spreadsheets. Quoting projects takes forever. For someone like Jake, BuildXact may immediately feel cleaner and faster, because estimating is central to the platform experience. Now compare that to Alex. Alex manages multiple subcontractors, safety forms, project logs, schedules, and operational paperwork across several jobs. Contractor Foreman may feel more powerful because it covers a wider operational range. That's why choosing software based on your actual workflow matters so much. Now here's where things get interesting. Many contractors buy software based on demos instead of daily pain points. That's a huge mistake. The smartest contractors ask, "What problem wastes the most time in my business right now?" That answer usually points toward the right platform. Now in a minute, I'll show you the hidden reason many builders cancel construction software after only a few months. But first, let's continue. Let's talk about ease of use. This matters massively, because construction software only works if your team actually adopts it. BuildXact is often praised for having a cleaner onboarding experience for estimating and residential workflows. Many smaller builders find it easier to understand initially. But here's the problem. Some contractors eventually want deeper operational controls beyond estimating and quoting. This is where Contractor Foreman becomes interesting. It includes a large range of project management tools including daily logs, time tracking, scheduling, to-do management, safety tracking, and document organization. That broader feature coverage appeals strongly to growing contractors. Now here's where most people fail. They underestimate training fatigue. If software feels too complicated, crews stop using it properly. Then the entire system breaks down. That's the hidden danger of overbuying software complexity. Now let's discuss pricing because this matters a lot for small businesses. Contractor Foreman has built much of its reputation around offering many features at relatively aggressive pricing compared to larger construction platforms. That attracts budget-conscious contractors immediately. BuildXact, meanwhile, positions itself more around workflow simplicity and estimating efficiency. So the value calculation becomes very different. Now here's where things get interesting again. Cheap software can become expensive if it wastes time. And expensive software can become cheap if it saves hours weekly. That's the mindset shift many contractors eventually realize. Now imagine John saves 6 hours every week creating quotes faster with BuildXact. Suddenly the monthly subscription feels small compared to labor savings. That's how smart contractors evaluate software. Now let's discuss estimating specifically because this is one of BuildXact's strongest areas. Many residential contractors struggle with manual measurements, quote delays, supplier pricing confusion, and inconsistent estimating accuracy. BuildXact tries solving those workflow bottlenecks directly. And honestly, for some builders, that alone creates massive value. But here's the problem. If your business complexity revolves more around project coordination than estimating, Contractor Foreman may feel stronger operationally. Again, Business structure determines the better choice. Now in a minute I'll show you the biggest hidden factor most software reviews ignore completely. But first, let's discuss scalability. This matters more than many small contractors realize. Some software works well for a one-person operation, but becomes frustrating once projects and crews grow. Contractor foreman often appeals to companies wanting broader operational oversight as they expand. BuildSact often attracts contractors prioritizing estimating efficiency and residential workflow simplicity. Neither approach is automatically better. It depends on where your business bottlenecks exist. Now here's where things get interesting. Many contractors buy software emotionally. They get excited during demos, then ignore whether the platform matches their actual processes. This creates huge frustration later. The smartest contractors test workflows, not marketing promises. Now let's discuss support and onboarding. Construction software adoption fails quickly if support feels weak, especially for contractors transitioning away from spreadsheets or paper systems. That learning curve matters enormously. Now imagine Alex signs up for powerful software but never fully trains the office team. 3 months later, nobody uses the platform correctly. This happens constantly across construction businesses. Software success depends heavily on implementation discipline. Now here's another hidden issue. Mobile usability. Construction teams increasingly rely on phones and tablets in the field. If mobile workflows feel clunky, adoption drops fast. That's why field usability matters just as much as desktop features now. Now here's where things get interesting again. Many contractors eventually realize software is not just about organization. It's about reducing mental overload. That's the real business value. Clear systems reduce mistakes, missed communication, duplicate work, and project chaos. That operational clarity becomes incredibly valuable as companies grow. Now let's answer the practical question directly. Who should choose BuildSact? Typically, residential builders, remodelers, and contractors heavily focused on estimating and quoting efficiency. Who should choose contractor foreman? Usually, contractors wanting broader operational management, more administrative controls, and wider feature coverage at lower entry pricing. That's the simplest breakdown. Now before we finish, let's discuss the hidden factor I mentioned earlier. Team adoption. This matters more than features, pricing, or software popularity. Because the best construction software is the one your office staff, project managers, and field crews actually use consistently every day. That's the real secret. Now, let's summarize clearly. BuildSact often feels stronger for estimating-focused residential workflows and easier onboarding. Contractor foreman often feels stronger for broader operational management and feature-heavy project oversight. Neither platform automatically wins for everyone. Your workflow determines the better option. So, here's the bottom line. If estimating speed and residential simplicity matter most, BuildSact may fit better. If operational control, broader management tools, and feature depth matter more, contractor foreman may deliver stronger value. The smartest contractors evaluate software based on their biggest daily business bottlenecks instead of chasing the platform with the longest feature list. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with which construction software you're currently using. And if you want, I can also compare Buildertrend, JobTread, CoConstruct, and Procore next.